Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, a dealer deals only in color TVs and VCRs. He wants to spend up to rupees 12 lakhs to buy 100 pieces. He can purchase a color TV at rupees 10,000 and a VCR at rupees 15,000. He can sell a color TV at rupees 12,000 and a VCR at rupees 17,500. His objective is to maximize profits. Assume that he can sell all the items that he stocks. So for the maximum profit, the number of color TVs and VCRs that he should respectively stock are, so let the number of TVs be T and the number of VCRs bought be V. Therefore, T plus V less than equal to 100 and 10,000 T plus 15,000 V less than equal to 12 lakhs, or 2T plus 3V less than equal to 240. Therefore, profit is equal to 2000 T, since on a TV he makes a profit of 2000 and on VCR he makes a profit of 2500. So 2500 V. So to maximize the profit, we need to maximize V, since the greater V, the more the profit. So from equations 1 and equations 2, we have 2 into 100 minus V, since T is equal to 100 minus V, plus 3V less than equal to 240, and so V less than equal to 40, and therefore T less than equal to 60. So for maximum profit, V equals 40 and T equals 60. So option C is the correct answer. The next question is also a continuation of the previous one. So if the dealer would have managed to get an additional space to stock 20 more items, then for maximizing profit, the ratio of number of VCRs and the number of TVs that he should stock is. So again, let the number of TVs be T and VCRs be V. Therefore, T plus V less than equal to 120 and 10,000 T plus 15,000 V less than equal to 12 lakhs. From here we get 2T plus 3V less than equal to 240. Therefore, profit is equal to 2000 T plus 2500 V. Now let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So to maximize profit, again we get T is equal to 120 minus V. So 2 into 120 minus V plus 3V less than equal to 240. Therefore, V less than equal to 0 and T less than equal to 120. So for maximum profit, T should be 120 and V should be equal to 0. Therefore, the required ratio is 0. The next question is, which is also a continuation, the maximum profit in rupees lakhs the dealer can earn from his original stock if we can sell a color TV at 12,200 and VCR at rupees 18,003 is. Now, so from question 89 and from above information we have 2 into 100 minus V plus 3V less than equal to 240. So V less than equal to 40 and T less than equal to 60. So V equals 40 and T equals 60 for maximization of profit. Therefore required profit is equal to 2200. Since into 60, this is the total profits from TV, and profit from a single VCR would be 3300 into 40 is the total profits from CV from VCR. So once we sum this, we get this to be 2,64,000, that is 2.64 lakhs. Option A.